On-scene commander. It is an individual in the vicinity of an incident who temporarily assumes command and institutes immediate emergency procedures, such as the isolation of the incident for the rest of the environment. Part of the second type of first responder. First responders. Who carries out the immediate and timely response needed in addressing an incident. National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC. As a matter of policy, natural calamities and disasters will be the responsibility of the NDRRMC. The Secretary of the Department of National Defense is the chairperson of the NDRRMC. The Office of Civil Defense, implementing arm of the NDRRMC. They have the primary mission of administering a comprehensive national civil defense and disaster risk reduction and management program by providing leadership in the continuous development or strategic and systematic approaches, as well as measures to reduce the vulnerabilities and risks to hazards and manage the consequences of disasters. Regional Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or formerly known as Regional Disaster Coordinating Councils, has the responsibility to coordinate, integrate, supervise and evaluate the activation of the LDRRMCs. Local Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Councils, or formerly known as Provincial, City and Municipal Disaster Coordinating Councils. Barangay Development Councils, or formerly known as Barangay Disaster Coordinating Councils. They serve as the LDRRMCs in every barangay. Local Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. They are responsible for setting the direction, development, implementation, and coordination of disaster risk management programs within their territorial jurisdiction. Coordination during emergencies. The LDRMC shall take the lead in preparing for, responding to, and recovering from the effects of any disaster based on the following criteria. The BDC at a barangay is affected. The city municipal DRRMCs, if 2 or more barangays are affected. The provincial DRRMC, if 2 or more cities municipalities are affected. The regional DRRMC, if 2 or more provinces are affected. The NDRRMC, if 2 or more regions are affected. Now let's move on to Crisis Management Organization in the Philippines for Human-Induced Crisis. The National Peace and Order Council. They addresses various aspects of national security, particularly those affecting peace and order. Also addresses different aspects of crime prevention and suppression. It is organized on the national, regional, provincial, city and municipal levels of government. These are the functions of the NPOC. 1. Contribute to the strategies of the national security.
Created using Powtoon.